hi! Are you also tired of these boring BRB scenes? Keep watching and I'll show you how to spice them up. What's up everyone, my name is MrJordilicious and in today's video I'm gonna show you a perfect way and a simple way to make your BRB scenes so much more entertaining for your viewers. Now before I started using this myself, my BRB scene was pretty simple. It consisted of basically a blurred out view of the game that I was playing, and there was a ticker with some funny messages and a music spectralizer. That's basically it. So nothing really happened while I was taking my bathroom breaks, getting something new to drink, or just stretching my legs. So I was looking for a way to make my viewers actually stay entertained while I wasn't actually there to entertain them myself. And I found that in the very simple game of Plinko. Now, of course, I'm not a developer, so I didn't code this myself. However, there's a website that I use that you could actually get various different games for your streams completely for free, and it's super simple to implement. So today, I'm gonna show you how you can do this yourself for your own stream. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to this website, pixelplush.dev. And there you will see various different games that you can play. For instance, you have the Plinko bounce game, the one that I'm using, you have parachute drop, and you have a hill rolling race. Most of these are free to use, and all you have to do is copy the browser URL and you can implement them on your stream. Some of them have premium features, like for instance, premium avatars that you need to pay for, but most of the fun things you can just get for free. So for this example, I'm gonna show you how to use the parachute drop. So just click on the button below the game you want to implement, and there you will have to log in with your Twitch account. Now I've already done that, but if you haven't done that already, click on the button, log into your Twitch account, make sure that it has all the authorization that it needs, and then you can come back to this website to set everything up. So you will see your Twitch channel name here, and the reason that's important is because it listens to your chat messages, so your viewers can type in commands in your chat, which will trigger this game. So here we have the parachute drop game. You can see various other games that you can use as well. We have the pixel maze, we have Plinko bounce, and basically all of them work in a similar way. You change a few settings down here, you get a browser URL, and then you can set them up. So for this game, like I said, we're going to be using the parachute drop game. Here you have various themes. Some of them are premium. You need to buy them with coins which require real world money. You can get them here on the goodies market, but there's also various free themes like Easter, winter, Christmas, Halloween, and you can see various others as well. So we're gonna go for the pool party blue, which will make our viewers land in a pool. That is if they actually do win. So we've set this up, we got the game, we got the theme. Now here we will have a chat announcement. So whenever someone actually lands in the pool, in this case, this message will be posted in chat. So you can go for something funny, like in this case for the pool one, I wanna go with username just got themselves wet for, and then the amount of points. Then here you will have a couple of settings. You will have to set up if you want to have a background or not. If you do enable that, of course, you will get a background which will obscure, for instance, your webcam or the game that you are playing. So if you don't want that, just deselect that background. Same thing goes for clouds. If you want to have clouds appear or not, either deselect this or select this. Hide until drop, I would actually select this because otherwise the game will be visible all the time, and that's probably something you don't want. So if you do hide until drop, it will only appear when someone actually uses the command. There's some sounds involved. If you want to actually have them play, you can set the volume over here, or if you want them to not play, just set the volume to 0. Score in chat, well, that's what we just did. If you want to announce the score of someone in chat, then make sure to tick this. Bit cheers and enable drop via chat. So if you want to only enable this when someone cheers, then you need to make sure that this is enabled and this is disabled. If you want to enable it when someone cheers, but also when people type a command in chat, then make sure that both of these are enabled. Or of course, you can also enable just via chat with no cheers. And then down here, we have various other settings that you can set. We're going to set the command, which is going to be !drop, so that whenever someone types that in, they will start the game. Then here you can set various costs for things. You can set a refresh timer, so it takes 90 seconds for it to actually refresh again. And here you can set another timer, the time till ready, again, a couple of seconds there. And that's basically all you have to do. The next thing you have to do is you will have to copy this browser source. So make sure that everything is set up first the way you want it. Then click to copy the browser source. And then next up, what we're going to do is we're going to go into OBS. We are going to make a new browser source here. We're going to name it drop game. And then we will put the browser source inside. The width is going to be your full canvas, so 1920 by 1080. You can technically make it smaller, but then of course the drop area will also be smaller. Click OK, and nothing happens. That's weird. No, it's not, because we just set it up that it only enables whenever someone types in chat. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in drop And then you will see the game appear. There I'm going, whee! And I'm going down very fast. And of course the goal is for me to land inside of the pool. But it's gonna be tricky. I don't think I can make it. Can I make it? Can I make it? Ooh, I will make it. No, that was very close though. That was a very close game. But sadly, I didn't make it. So that is basically the extent of the game. Now, of course, that was fun. You saw like a little avatar going down on the parachute and trying to land in the pool. However, your viewers can actually customize their avatar themselves with their favorite emoji. For instance, if you do type in drop and then a emoji, like for instance, my laughing one, see what happens. Same thing happens, the game appears, and there goes my very own emoji dropping down on the parachute, trying to make its way again into the pool. Which I think, judging from it now, is not gonna happen. It was a good run, but it's not gonna happen, sadly. Nope. There we go. And that's basically it. Then after the amount of time that you set up to refresh yourself, the game will disappear unless someone has triggered it again. Now, of course, the last thing that you need to do is make sure that this browser source appears on all the scenes where you want this game to happen. So if you only want it to appear on your BRB scene, then only add it over there. But if you want your viewers to be able to trigger it on all of your scenes, make sure that you add the browser source to all of those scenes. Now, of course, there's various other games as well. For instance, you also have the Plinko game that you can play, where your viewers drop a emoji or an avatar of themselves down a Plinko board. Or you also have a hill rolling game where people compete to roll down a hill to try and be the first one down. And that's it. That's a very simple way for you to actually spice up your BRB scenes, or basically any scene where you want to have a little bit more chat interaction for your stream. Now, I'd love to know what your favorite of these games is, so please let me know in the comments, which you can find in the section below the like button. And of course, if this video was helpful to you, please consider supporting me and my content by leaving a thumbs up on this video, subscribing to my channel, and of course, ringing that bell so you know exactly when my next video goes live. And speaking of live, if you actually want to try out the Plinko game, I actually host that on my BRB scenes on my own stream, and I stream over on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, where I play a variety of games, and I always love to hang out with you guys in chat, so don't be shy to drop on by and say hi. Now, that was all for me for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. And as always, my name has been MrJordilicious. You have all been extremely delicious yourselves as well. Take care and watch out when you're playing that parachute game. And I will see you in the next video. Wait, which one do we have to hit? Oh, is that game over? Ah, dang it. Wait, I'm not doing anything. The game is deciding the title for me. Alex. I was so close to beating ass. Wait. That sounded different in my head.